All right, so we're going to take a look at one more set of problems. Okay, so this time they give you some equation, and you first have to write it in conic form, but you have to complete the square to do it, the three-step process. All right, so I'm going to do the left and you do the right. All right, so again, first get rid of fractions. We don't like fractions. So pick the highest denominators and multiply everything by that number. So in my case, it's 24. Multiply everything by that. So that's going to give me 24x equals, and the 24s are going to cancel out, leaving minus y squared. 24 divided by 3 is going to give me 8y. 24 divided by 3 is going to be 8. All right, we got to make this look like the conic form, right? So I'm going to take the y squared to the other side. And because I have y squared, I also am going to take y to the other side, and then I'm going to take x to the left. So let's go ahead and write that out. So y squared minus 8y is negative 24 plus 8, changing signs. All right, let's go ahead and do the three-step process. So we're going to prep it by leaving a space, writing everything else down. Right underneath it, y squared equals negative 24x, and don't write the constant because that's going to change. Three-step process. Let's go. We're going to divide by 2. We're going to square it, and we're going to multiply it and apply it to the other side. All right, so combining the other side, 8 plus 16 is 24. All right, so we're almost there. The left looks good. The right side needs to be factored out because it just needs x in parentheses without a factor, right? So we're going to take out negative 24. The listening check, put a box around example 10. Minus, 1. It's close because I still need it to look like 4p, right? So this is going to be y minus 4 squared equals 4 times negative what? Negative 6, leaving x plus 1. Now that looks exactly like what we're used to. Once you have that, sketch it, pull out the vertex, pull out p, and answer the question. So let's go ahead and sketch this. So this is going to be y squared, so it's going to be opening right or left. Because p is negative, it's opening left. That means the arrows are going to the left side. So let's go ahead and sketch it. So we're looking at a vertex of 1 and 4. So this is 1, 4 right here. And then p is 6. So this distance is 6. And we're looking for what? Directrix. Also, actually going to the other side. So directrix is the line on the other side, distance of p away. So it's 6 to the right. And if you're moving stuff to the right, you're only changing x, right? So it's going to be the same thing looking at the x. So 1 changes by 6, not negative. By 6 to the right, that's positive. So that's going to give me 7. And the line, the vertical line is always x equals. So it's x equals the x coordinate, which is 7. All right, so go ahead and try the next one. So first you have to write it in conic form, sketch it, and then answer whatever the question is. Let's practice.